Hello coders, welcome to our channel, and today we'll see inheritance in Python. So first we'll see the example of it. So as I told you about the inheritance, so inheritance is basically an object of one class acquires the object of another class. That is known as inheritance. So in real world, if you see that you will get some qualities from your father and some qualities from your grandfather. This is basically an inheritance, like you're getting the qualities from your father, grandfather and your family. So we can see how this will work in Python. So first, we need one class first. Then, so this is our class. We'll create a student class first. So this is our student class, and if you guys are new to my channel and you are seeing this first video, so earlier I explained about the class and objects. So if you want, you can check out that video as well. That's in I button. Now, so this is our class student. So we'll create one constructor. So this is our constructor, and it is the keyword, and we'll pass self name like this. Now we need self dot name is equal to name. So this is our base class, and we'll create a drive class of that. So this is our base class. Now we create one method. So we'll display and pass in constructor self constructor here. So this is a display, and this will print a name for us of a student. This is student name. Okay, so this is our student name. So this is our method, and this is our constructor. So this is our constructor, and this is our method. This is our base class. Now if you create a class and object, so now you can create an object of that class, but we are seeing the inheritance, so we'll inherit that class in another class. So we'll obviously need another class as well. So we'll create one more class, which is class. We'll create a school, and then we'll pass this student class here. Okay, now I don't want to do anything with that class, I just inherited it, and that's the, so if I don't want to do anything with that class, it's obviously give me some indentation error or EOF error. So I'll simply write pass. So now if you can see that this is our base class and this is our drive class. I'm just making it easy, so if you are learning this first time, you can get an idea what does it like to create one drive class and the base class. So this is very easy to understand. So this is our base class. We need a constructor. This is a method, and then we need another class of drive class, and then we'll pass this because we don't want to do anything with that class. So first, now we'll create an object of that class of drive class, not a base class. So we'll create an obj object. So you can choose any name. I'll write obj equal to and school. So this is our class, and we'll pass a name here. I'll pass my name like this. Now obj is the object of that class, but this class is inherited by that class, the base class. So now I can access all this method by this object. So I'll simply write obj dot display. Yeah, that's it. So now we'll print one message here that this is an inheritance example, obviously in double quote like this. Now if I'll run that class, if I'll run that program, we can see that this method will display this name. So we'll run that. Here you can see that this is student name Bharat is in that class, in our base class, but we can access this by our drive class because of inheritance. So this is a very simple example of inheritance. You can create 3 to 4 base class as well and one drive class, and can access all these methods in your drive from your drive class. So that's it guys, that's it for today, and we'll see you guys in the next video where we will learn about encapsulation and data abstraction in Python. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any future video like this, and we'll meet you guys in the next video. Thanks.